3D printing is a way to create a physical object directly from a digital file. Software takes a computer design and slices it into layers. These layers are instructions for the 3D printer, which builds them one at a time until what was just data becomes substance. Strong and durable, beautiful and smooth. This is what's amazing about 3D printing. It's not one process to create an object. It's a new way for designers, engineers, all kinds of creators to express themselves and solve problems. It's empowering companies to invent new products with better quality. It's giving entertainers and fashion designers unlimited creative freedom. It's helping researchers and engineers make our lives healthier. In fact, the effects of 3D printing are already all around us.